Hello there guys, how's it going? And I'm doing something that I wanted to do a year ago but never did, which was change the oil of this little go-kart engine. Or lawnmower engine, should I say. It was a lawnmower engine, now it's going to be a go-kart. I just let it sit here, just collect dust, but now I'm going to actually work on it. So the first thing I was going to do is change the oil, which I will do now. I got the camera here and got everything set up. Let's get this changed. Okay, the problem that I'm facing right now is how much oil I need to put in here. So, from the oil I got into, or got out, is not even a quart. I don't know if it would be in a cup or a pint or something. But, we got markers here, so that might help me. I don't know, you can't see it, but there's like 28, 24, 20 ounces. So maybe that'll help out and figure out how much I can put in here. So let's start putting some oil in. got that oil change. You made a little bit of a mess, unfortunately. Got to figure out how to clean up oil off the ground. Whoops. Oh, at least got to change. So I think so how much it was half a quart right here. You can see it was just only half a quart. It was a bit blurry, but you can see it. Only half a quart. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is try to attach the clutch to the go-kart. So like that, but except it doesn't fit. I try to pull this off. Also, it doesn't want to fit. Try to flip it over. Doesn't go in like that. So what I did find was this little, looks like a like, so you can use a tool to screw this off. So after like I find whatever size that is, I can pull this off, and hopefully pulling that off will get the size that I need to get this in, to get the clutch in. Gotta figure out which tool it is. But before we do that, I want to see if this runs. Because like after you change oil, I think you gotta like let the engine run a little bit to let the oil cycle through. There's no filter on this, I don't believe. Or I don't think there is a filter on this. Do lawnmowers have oil filters? I don't think so. Unless if I don't see it. But anyways, I'm going to start this up and see if it runs. Oh, I already do know it runs. I'm just going to let it run a little bit. Okay, you gotta do this with 2 hands. So, Juju, oh, okay, bye. Thought I was going to hold it, but I don't got nothing to hold it. I used to have a tripod, but I lost it. Or not that tripod, but like a tripod made for a phone. But I have an idea. Maybe I shall do this. Hold on. Okay, that might not work. I'm trying. Okay, hopefully it's not exactly recording there, but hey, Juju, you're back. It works. Juju, look, it works. It's an engine. What? It's an engine. That's what an engine makes. What? It's an engine. That's what engines do. So, now we know how it works. Juju's frightened about the engine. Juju, come on, it's just an engine. Come on. Juju. Nah, he doesn't want to come over here. He got afraid of the engine. Funny, like he's like never afraid of the cars, but he's afraid of this little tiny engine. Yeah, he's just chilling there now. Oh, you can also see the bumper project. How's it going? Yeah, you can see I've been doing some things with it. Got some wood there, some mounts. Oh, where do I find the right size at? Well, time to get started. Well, unfortunately, This thing does not fit. Now let me try to get it on. Let me back again. Yeah, that's not going to get in. I'm going to try the other side. Doubt it's going to work. Nope. So, I guess one thing I could do is either shave down this with like a grinder or something, or shave down the inside of this either with like a grinder or a metal file. Either one could work. But that's gonna be the end of that. We got the oil successfully changed. We know it runs. I also put gas in it, so I know it runs. And we got these little parts here that I took off. I'm gonna leave this here just in case I need it. And after that I'll put it back after I know I don't. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you can hit the like button. If you want to see the previous videos, right here. And here's another video right there. I don't know what I'm going to put there, but I'm going to put something. And you can subscribe right here if you want. If you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to hit the bell as well. And I'm going to go again. See ya. You can't see me no more. I did this same joke twice. Need to think of plan of something else.